From the 12th to the 16th of November, we are celebrating the Global Accountability Week to promote and discover how CSOs around the world are accountable and to promote what the dynamic accountability is. For too long, we have been focused on accountability, proving to donors that we are accountable in how we manage the funds. Instead, we have forgotten to be truly accountable to the people that are affected by our work. We see that our legitimacy and credibility as civil society is being questioned, as people often do not see the effect that we make. In order to be successful, we have to be in constant dialogue with the stakeholders, our partners, and the people that we serve, in order to use their feedback and improve our performances and build trusted relationships. This is what we call dynamic accountability.
The concept of dynamic accountability is at the core of the global standard for CSO accountability. The global standard has been developed by 9 networks around the world, among which the Balkan Civil Society Development Network, which we represent. BCSDN has been one of the networks that has participated in the development of the global standard, and it's also the one who is promoting it here in the Balkan region. The global standard has 12 commitments, which civil society organizations have agreed upon. They represent accountability, but are deliberately aspirational and showcase what we want accountability to be in the future. The standard is organized in 3 clusters. The first one is what we want to achieve as a civil society organization. The second one is our approach to change and how we do things. And the third one is our internal practices of what is oftentimes considered as accountability in a narrow term. Since we've joined this initiative, BCSDN has learned a lot, has been inspired by others, and we have developed our own code of conduct, which is heavily based on the global standard for CSO accountability. In this spirit, we are celebrating the Global Accountability Week.
The AGNA network of national alliances around the globe is launching the Global Accountability Week, and BCSDN, as part of the AGNA and the Global Standard for CSO Accountability, is promoting this week around the region. And therefore, we are inviting you to celebrate the week with us and give us your examples on how your organizations are accountable, how you are working on building trust, building legitimacy, and what are your transparency and accountability practices. Come and share with us your examples, your experiences using the hashtag #BeAccountable on social media, and in the spirit of giving feedback, check out the global standard and give us your opinion and questions at any time.